In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Expensify. This is especially helpful if you're getting reimbursed in a different currency than the one you originally set up, or if you've moved countries and need your payment details to match where you are now. First, open your browser and go to the Expensify website. Make sure you're logged in with the account where you manage your expenses. It's a good idea to do this on a desktop or laptop, because the layout is clearer and it's easier to see all the settings at once, though the steps are similar on most devices. Once you're on the main Expensify screen, look over to the left-hand side of the page. You'll see a vertical sidebar with different options. Find and click on the one labeled Account. This section is where you manage your personal profile settings, preferences, and anything related to how your account behaves. After clicking on Account, you'll be taken to a page with several tabs or options. Here, look for the option called Preferences, and click on it. The Preferences area is where Expensify lets you customize how the app works for you, including language, region, and of course, currency. Inside the Preferences section, scroll until you see a setting labeled Payment Currency. This is the field that controls which currency is used when you're paid back or when amounts are displayed for reimbursement-related actions. Go ahead and click on Payment Currency. This will usually open a drop-down menu or a selectable list. Now you'll see a list of available currencies. Carefully scroll through the list and choose the currency you want to use. For example, US dollars, euros, pounds, or another local currency. When selecting, think about which currency your company or client uses to reimburse you, since this will keep your reports and payouts consistent and avoid confusion later. Once you've selected your preferred currency, Expensify typically saves this change automatically, but it's always smart to double check. Make sure the new currency is now showing as your active payment currency. If you already have reports in progress, review them briefly so you understand how amounts may appear going forward. And that's it. You've successfully changed your payment currency in Expensify, making sure your expenses and reimbursements line up with the currency that works best for you.